Hey, this is Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. You can find me on Facebook at Suzanne Shares Usborne Books. You can also find me on YouTube at the same spot. And my Usborne website, my Usborne shop online is SuzanneSharesUsborneBooks.com. So peruse all of our books there. I wanted to show you one of Usborne's newest titles that just came out in October 2016, Step-by-Step Drawing Dinosaurs. This is actually the fourth book in our Step-by-Step Drawing book series. There's animals, people, and then just a regular step-by-step drawing book that combines people, animals, and all sorts of fun stuff. So I'm so excited. This is my boys' favorite series from Usborne. It's truly empowered them to love drawing again. They kind of went through this period where they felt like they couldn't draw. They got frustrated because they would see the picture, the finished picture, and they couldn't figure out how to do it. But thanks to Usborne, with these step-by-step images of what they need to do, it's renewed an interest for them in drawing. And literally there are spiral notebooks littered all over my house from where they're drawing all the time. Even when we read aloud, they are always drawing, which is really awesome because it actually helps them focus. That sounds counterintuitive, but if their hands are busy, it actually increases their comprehension capacity. So this just came out. If you have a dinosaur lover, this whole series, the books are only $9.99 each. I highly recommend Step-by-Step Drawing Dinosaurs. It does not disappoint, and you can find it on my Usborne shop, SuzanneSharesUsborneBooks.com. If I can serve you in any way, or if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my Usborne business page, Suzanne Shares Usborne Books on Facebook, and I'll be happy to help you there. So enjoy Step-by-Step Drawing Dinosaurs. Thanks.